If you are in search of a make money online method, then you are into the right video. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing make money online strategy which works all over the world, and many of the people are utilizing it to make money online really. And this is something which is really awesome. You can also do this stuff because it does not require any skill, and you could start it just after watching this video. And that is the most awesome thing about this strategy, as well as this strategy works all over the world. There are no country barriers, so you can do it from almost anywhere in the world. This is something which is really awesome. But before we jump into our awesome and juicy content, just smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos, so that you can watch them first and so that you can take the first movers advantage and make maximum money as soon as possible. So now let's jump into our juicy content. Now we are into a computer screen. First thing is that you can just go to Etsy and you can just search for Canva templates. There are a lot of people who are selling this Canva templates on Etsy, and you can see they are charging good amount of money for this templates. Okay, now I'm going to show you a full tutorial how you can create these templates and sell it on Etsy. This is really simple, easy, and every one of you will be able to do it. Okay, so first you just got to see, okay, a lot of different types of templates are selling over here, and you need to find out which is selling the best. Okay, you just need to find out which sells the best, because this is very important. And if you are not gonna find out which sells the best or what type of templates are selling the best, then you won't be able to sell it. Okay, so understand this. Okay, so you just need to find out the best ones who are selling these templates, and you just need to replicate what they are doing. Okay, so you can see this one. So you can see this guy is just selling this editable templates, and you can see it's really simple. He has written the description. You can just understand what type of description you need to write from over here and understand. Okay, and you can start selling this templates on Etsy. Now how to create this templates, it's really simple, easy, and any one of you can easily do it. Okay, there are a ton of tutorials which are available on YouTube, so you need to go to YouTube. Okay, you need to go to Canva. So this is one of the template which I just recently created. It was really simple, easy. Okay, and you can see everything is available over here. Elements, you can put in text over here, background, everything. So it is really simple to create any of the template utilizing Canva, which is the best tool which is available. Okay, so once you have created your template, it is really simple. These all are movable, drag and drop editor. Okay, so don't worry about it. It is really easy to learn, and there are a ton of tutorials. I'm not gonna create a template from scratch. This is something which I just created. Okay, now I just want to share this as an editable template. Okay, so all you need to do is click on the share button. Okay, so once you have clicked on the share button, you will get this. Okay, share this link to edit. Okay, you just need to copy this link. Okay, so now what this guy is doing is that he is providing a PDF document with this shareable link so that someone can access all these templates. Okay, so you can see, so we have got the link from over here. Now we are just going to create a PDF document, and we have given our Canva link. Okay, so this is the shareable document. So you just need to provide this document to the person who purchased your product. Okay, so who purchased your Canva. Now you just need to write Canva template 1. Okay, now someone purchases this product, someone orders this product on Etsy, on your store, then you just need to provide them with this document. That's it. And this is how they are selling Canva templates, and this is something which is the easiest thing to do. Many of the people are not at all doing this stuff, and that's the reason why they are not making money online. But many of you can easily start this. It does not require any big skills. Okay, you just need to learn how to use Canva, which you can learn in a single day. Okay, just watch out 2 to 3 tutorials and you will be easily able to learn how to utilize Canva, create this type of templates, and start selling those templates on Etsy, and find out which are the best selling templates and replicate those so that you can get maximum sales as soon as possible. So if you got some value out of this video, smash the like button and smash the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos just for you. And we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching this awesome video of ours.